To connect printer with Samsung Galaxy S26 Plus, first of all, you will need to open settings on your device. We can then go to connections, and in more connection settings, we can enter printing. Now, depending on which printer you have, you will need to research how to enter pairing mode. Sometimes printer can be connected through Bluetooth, sometimes through Wi-Fi, sometimes through the cable. So depending on which printer, as I said, you have, you will need to find that option for pairing. For example, if you have Bluetooth or Wi-Fi pairing, then all you have to do is enter pairing mode on that printer and select default printer service. That way your phone will search for all of the printers nearby, and if it pops on the list, just click on it and connect with that printer. If it doesn't pop on the list, you might need to download additional plugin. So click on plus download a plugin. It will open your Google Play Store and look for your brand name for the printer. For example, if you had the Epson printer, you can select it right here and then install this specific plugin. After the plugin is installed, we'll need to wait a few moments until it's done to show you. We can go back to the printing service and click on Epson printing right here, which again show you the pairing mode, and then you can connect with that printer. So that is basically everything. Thanks so much for watching.